Yeah, you cleaned it good.
He films everything nowadays, so I can't listen to my music.
He cleaned it really good.
I'm telling you, man. Fat finger grease ball.
My super
we can tell
fat fingers.
I can tell it was clean because it still had all the spider webs on it.
These make it go faster.
Oh, okay.
Break better.
Classic webs.
Classic webs. You know what? I've seen it on Etsy.
Oh, look at it. It even fits on there. That's pretty good. Where's your fancy bolts at? How good are these bolts?
Brilliant.
Yeah.
What can he do?
Big hammer yet?
Big hammer?
Big hammer.
BFH?
Big flipping hammer?
That's it. Big flipping hammer.
We're going to finish off this Loctite ball at some point. Until YouTube takes the video away. Alright, we're going to interrupt it again, as usual. Okay, these are pressed in like rivets, so you have to beat them with a hammer if they're correct. So if this drum is good, it'll be a beat in. If it's not, it'll fall in. But either way, we put Loctite on the nut. Seems to be a tight squeeze.
So that's good.
For once, you might have something that's halfway decent. I know you won't know what to do, but oh well. Did you find a 1/2-inch wrench yet, Fred?
He's got it sitting up here.
Socket? No, I need a socket and a long extension.
You want 1/4 inch or you want?
Nope, I want the 3/8 stuff.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Got it halfway done.
Six or
might not need it this rate. It's dark down here. Fred's blocking my light. Oh, that makes a big difference there.
Hey, don't blame me. I'm in your light.
You're in my light, but he turned the camera light on, so that helps a lot.
I just moved closer.
Oh. So these are actually correctly press fit like they're supposed to be. It's very hard to believe that anything on your bike is going to be halfway close.
That's why it's called the booby trap. Best thing about booby trap is that backwards it's party boob. Everybody likes a good party boob.
Yep, everybody likes a good party boob.
So that's the kind of girls you hang out with, huh? Okay.
Yeah. I'll swing them by the shop sometime.
That'll be a different video. We can pay for those videos. Alright. We take these brand new lock nuts we got. Brand new to this wheel.
Classic lock nut.
That's how we use Loctite.
Loctite lock nuts.
Something will hold.
Hopefully.
That one there is not feeling very well. Yeah, I think somebody beat on that with the wrong part of the punch when they beat it out. Might have a little burr on the edge like the other side of the hub is, or like the hub is here.
Let's use your hair zip gun.
Zip zip!
Get the zip gun out. Save us some time.
Don't have to ask me twice.
There's your socket.
This is a brand new worn out socket.
You love the sound of this?
Remember, do the opposite one.
So is the bolt turning or is this nut spinning? That's just a nut stripping. That's how we know we got enough torque on it. And that keeps turning. That 100 and something pounds of torque we're getting on it. Alright, they're all on there. Where's my hammer? Doesn't sound very good, does it? Probably because you got that sprocket welded on instead of riveted on.
Yep.
Okay. There's our balancing machine.
Classic balance machine.
Good as new.
Let it go. Don't help it. Let it slip the heavy sides.
Alright, the key is to work the axle back and forth. Notice I got more momentum when I did that.
Yep.
Put a little drag on it so it will stabilize. Now we have new bearings, so it has a little more drag on it. So I just have to put a little bit of drag on this so it'll stabilize. So it seems to be right about in this area is where it wants to be. So that means this is light and that's heavy down there. It's called gravity.
Mm-hmm.
So you put weights up on this side. So you want to know how far off it is? Not much.
It's a pretty good wheel then, considering.
So we'll just take and grab one weight here.
Pretty good TOS wheel.
This is probably too much weight, but
Jeez.
we'll find out. See, that's a little bit too much.
Oh. Entirely.
Big ones, small ones, half-size ones.
Get bigger.
I'm looking for cheap ones. I don't have any more cheap ones. I got the expensive chrome one. Your favorite color?
Fucking chrome. So, flipping chrome.
I'm gonna get banned.
Gonna be banned from eBay from all the
YouTube.
F-bombs floated.
Okay, notice how it kind of stays put now? Beat that on a little bit. So it's pretty much staying put.
Nice.
Spin around the other side. See, it pretty well stays put still.
And you're done.
So you now have a high-speed balance. Anyone know how high speed you can go with that balance?
Let's find out.
I do over 160, so
I don't know if mine will go that high.
that's what my high-speed balance is for. All right, one wheel, ready to go on bike.
There we go.
Okay, we are putting 290 penetrating
Loctite.
Loctite. Used to call it capillary action Loctite.
Watch it seep in there.
It might not seep on that side, it did on this side. Is it seeping, Fred?
No, you might need to tap it a little bit. There. Oh, that one went. Look at that.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Just about.
That one disappeared.
Yeah.
That was my tap.
That's some X-Files stuff right there.
Bearing's all the way down. We don't want to lock the bearing in, not all the way
You're
down.
aging yourself. So. Hey! I just shoved the axle out.
So I'm going to put it from this side. I'm chasing after you, Fred. I want to make sure the bearings are all the way down. They are all the way down. Okay, so we let that sit for about 5-10 minutes. Wait for the ambulance to blow through again. And then we'll put some more of this on top of that. And eventually it'll quit sucking it in there. And it'll seal up.
There you go.
And you can even put a little heat on there if you want. It'll make it heat up a little quicker.
Ooh.
But for now, we'll just let it do it like this. So
Okay.
we have to fill up that big gap where that bearing was loose.
Mm.
And this stuff will do it eventually.
Gotcha.
All right.